Thank you for tuning into Smart Success Studio, where overwhelm gets optimized and hustle meets harmony. I'm your host, Jessica Young, and this is your space to ditch the chaos and rebuild your business to work for you. Now, let's level up with smart systems and strategy. Hey there, and welcome to the first episode of Smart Success Studio, where we turn overwhelm into optimized systems and hustle into harmony. I'm your host, Jessica Young, founder of AspireAI.agency, and I've got a question for you.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Let me transfer you. We're closed.
Does this sound familiar? I know you've heard that before, and worse, your customers may have heard that when calling your business too. Let's be real for a second. Your phone isn't just ringing, it's your first impression. And in a world where people expect instant answers, that moment matters more than ever. Whether it's a potential client, a new lead, or someone searching for a solution right now, how your business shows up on that first call can be the difference between a new customer or a lost one. And when it's clunky, slow, or, let's be honest, completely unavailable, they bounce, and they bounce fast. Here's the truth. Today's consumer isn't waiting for a callback. They're calling your competitor by the time your voicemail kicks in. But imagine this. What if every single call felt like the start of something amazing? What if your business didn't just answer the phone, but did it with confidence and clarity and care? That's what we do at Aspire AI, because when your systems are smart, you get to be present even when you're not physically there. Here's how it works. Our AI voice technology doesn't just pick up. It speaks like a real human, answers questions, routes leads, and builds trust instantly. Our chatbots and lead funnels work 24/7, so whether it's 10 a.m. or 2 a.m., your business is showing up, converting, and collecting leads like a pro. And guess what? That means no awkward transfers, no please hold, and absolutely no more we're closed. Instead, your clients feel seen, heard, and taken care of from that very first second. And isn't that the business you really wanted to run in the first place? One that never sleeps, one that never loses a lead, one that works even when you're out there living your life. Because here's the thing, you work way too hard to lose leads at hello. You're building something powerful, and you deserve systems that support that. You deserve time freedom and ease and flow. And your clients, they deserve a business that feels premium and seamless and ready to serve them. So if you're ready to sound like a business that means business, head over to AspireAI.agency and book your free strategy session with me. Thanks for listening.